There are just 3 questions for Chapter 19 of The Giver by Lois Lowry. Don't forget about writing those complete sentences. Failure to do so will result in a loss of credit. The first question for Chapter 19 is question 12. This question says, at what point in this chapter did you know for sure what release meant? So if you need to, go back through the chapter and figure out at exactly what point you knew for sure what release meant. Question 13 asks, what in the novel has foreshadowed the meaning of the word release in Jonas's community? So foreshadowing is when an author hints at events before they occur. It creates suspense and dramatic irony. This definition comes right from your notes. So what I'm asking is, what hints has the author dropped about what release actually means? And 14, the last question, says, what do you think Jonas will do now that he understands the truth about his father and release? So I'm asking what it is that you believe Jonas will now do.